The Boeing P-8 Poseidon is a state-of-the-art maritime patrol and reconnaissance aircraft developed for the United States Navy. Based on the proven design of the Boeing 737-800 commercial airliner, the P-8 combines commercial efficiency with military-grade performance, making it a critical asset in modern naval operations. Designed to replace the aging P-3 Orion, the Poseidon enhances the Navy's ability to conduct long-range anti-submarine warfare (ASW), anti-surface warfare (ASUW), and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions.